I'm Kyler, and today we're going to be putting a new cutting edge on this 6-foot GreatER bar. All you're going to need is a 15/16 socket. So you're going to start by loosening all of these bolts on top here, and then after that your cutting edge is going to drop down, and you're going to put your bolts to the new one and stick it back up. Now you're going to put this new one on. You're going to see that there's a chamfer on each end. That's going to face down. Now you can tighten them all down. Now each and every one of these cutting edges will all be the same as that one to put on and off.